Hey, how are you doing? This is Kieran Hogg, and in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing Cartoon Creator. So if you are a content creator yourself, this is something that you're going to want to check out. We have members area access, as you can see, and basically Cartoon Creator is a one-stop shop where you can get free images that you can use, free videos that you can use. They have templates. They have cartoon characters that you can generate that you can customize to make them look any way you want. So we're going to check all of the features in here. Also, they have provided almost 200 bonuses, and I also have my mega bonus bundle with 225 bonuses for you, which we're going to look at all inside this review. So with that being said, I'll see you on the other side. Welcome back, my friends. Thanks for being here. First, I'm going to take you over to my bonus page where we're going to learn more about Cartoon Creator and the people who created it. There's a demo that we're going to look at, a 2-minute demo. I'm going to show you my bonuses, their bonuses, and then we're going to check out the members area, and then we will check out the price and the upsells. Now, they haven't uploaded the sales page yet. That should be coming out soon. But Cartoon Creator is going live on November 3rd at 11 o'clock Eastern Standard Time with a front end of $19, but there is a $2 discount code so you can get it for $17. And it is being launched by Venkatesh Kumar and Vives. So with that being said, let's learn more about Cartoon Creator. So it is an advanced 3D cartoon character generator platform to create unlimited stunning videos in any niches. Guys, I'm going to show you, so we've got 5 days until my bonuses come down. I'm going to show you this quick video before we continue to move on. But first, let me just give you a brief outline of what Cartoon Creator is. So you guys can get access to one-click AI creator and creator app, professional 3D characters, and video creator cloud-based platform. No need to pay any monthly fees, just a one-time fee. It is cloud-based, beginner-friendly, no skills required. You get the commercial licenses, and it is just a one-click download, which I have done, and I'll show you in a minute. So guys, if you want to get good quality images, if you just go, for example, to Getty Images, if I want this video or this image here, I'm looking at just the tiny one is going to be $50, small one $150, middle $250, the big is going to be $450 US. And stock images, so this is start your free trial. You can get 10 images a month, $2.90 for each image. Now that is going to quickly add up, so you can see that a viable solution could be Cartoon Creator. Okay, so guys, let me show you, this is just the funnel, let me show you this quick video here. there you go. So you got to see some of the features in this video that the front end offers. So let me take you now to the members area, and as you can see, the dashboard is very clean, and we have characters, library, generate characters, your favorites, background remover, search images, search video, image editor, video template, support, and tutorials. So let's just go through each one here. So the characters library. So if we have men, outfit female, outfit male, women. So black, brown, white. If I just click on any of these, so we've got a bunch of different things here that we can choose from. So we have man standing with a bag, man 11 building left, and so on. So man walking down with mobile phone. So if I click on any of these, you can see there are a variety to choose from. I can download it or I can add to my favorites. And I can generate characters here. So premium, or excuse me, female and male. So if I just go to female, cool. I like the art, it looks really neat. I can download that, add to favorites, regenerate, and they must have more than just obviously one female, guys. So just keep that in mind. All right, so in the tutorials, you're gonna see how you can actually access more of these, okay? And this is all where your favorites are gonna be, so you can download that, you can remove that. You got to see the background remover, how you can play around with that. It's very helpful. Search images. So if I just wanted to maybe make, let's see, woman doing yoga. So you've got all these. You can load more. So these are all free that you can use for any kind of promotion, any kind of content that you want to create. If I want to go to search video, and exercising, for example. So you've got all these videos that you can use. You can load more. And then you can also go to image editor. So you can, as you got to see in the demo video that they could playing around with that, you could add text, change the color, put some shapes in there. I'm not going to show you that because it's fairly straightforward. You can see all this stuff here, pretty standard. And the video templates, guys. So I downloaded one of these actually just before I was playing around with it. It's pretty cool. So we have mix, animated video templates, ecom, parallax video, presentation, titles video, cinematic video, logos, intros, outros, Instagram and Facebook, promo videos. So I downloaded the animated video. So if I just open that up for you, this is what it's going to look like. And of course, this is all editable. You can change the images, you can change the text, but all of the formatting stays the same. So in this big folder that I downloaded, it comes with the animated video. So that was the first video right there. And it comes with the animated video PowerPoint. So what I think, it'll be in the tutorial for sure, the training. But what I think is gonna happen is you'll get the PowerPoint files for the templates like this, and you can change any of the text, you can change the videos or the images, but the whole formatting is going to stay the same. So I thought that was pretty cool. You can just go through and change anything that you want, use their stock photos, their stock videos, and you can really customize and create content on a fairly easy system. They've done all the heavy lifting for you essentially. So I thought that was kind of cool. All right, and of course support and the tutorials here, guys. So that is where you're really going to get the training where you can make your own information uniquely yours and very, very simple. So let's go now to, oh, I didn't show you the bonuses. Let me show you the bonuses, guys, sorry. So you're gonna get a bunch of bonuses. They're offering also a lot of bonuses that I'm gonna show you in just 1 minute. The first one is gonna be 38 plus bonuses for you, 100 plus bonuses for you, 50 plus bonuses, 7 bonuses and 7 more bonuses, and my mega bonus bundle of 225 bonuses for free. We're talking Facebook, we're talking Instagram, TikTok, Google ads, YouTube ads, Bing ads, organic SEO, how to blog, how to create emails, how to do other things like other side hustles, create your own branding, clothing branding, real estate, and there's PDFs in here. There are video tutorials. It just keeps going on and on. So let me show you here, guys. This is what you're gonna get. So if I just show you each and every one that you're gonna be getting here that they have. Master Your Money, Real Money, blah, blah, blah. I'll just let you look at this. Fiverr, there's so many things that I'll just quickly blast off for you here. All right, so all of these are gonna be yours. You're gonna get 100 premium, so I'm just gonna quickly cycle through them here. You're gonna get just a bunch of stuff that you can keep for yourself. You can, of course, glean, get the information from, give away as bonuses for your products and anything that you want to be marketing down the road, and it just keeps going on and on and on, you guys. So let me just continue here. Number 3 keeps going, and 225. All right. So I want to take you now. Again, there is no sales page at the moment. It should be coming any second, but I wanted to show you quickly what the members area is on this. So I got out and just got in front and decided to do a review anyways without it. So the Cartoon Creator, the front end is the $17. You're going to get all the features shown in the members area along with all their bonuses and my mega bonus bundle. Tons of value for just $17. Incredible. Now with the OTO 1, you're going to have it at $32. You're going to have more images, you're going to have more videos, you're going to have all around more access to what you're able to create. So I think just for a few dollars more, you will have a lot better content to be able to create your unique content. So I think OTO 1 is a very good, viable option in my opinion. OTO 2 is an agency, OTO 3 is, OTO 2 is the agency, OTO 3 is the done for you. My apologies there. That's the done for you at $197, and then the OTO 4 is the Fortune 500. Now I don't know exactly what that is. When I can find out, I can try to update this, but at the time being, I don't know what the Fortune 500 is. And the reseller is going to be at $97. So I really like the unlimited, and I think maybe the agency, but I think the OTO 1, the unlimited, you're not going to go wrong with that in my opinion. Other ones, if you want to get the reseller rights, that is entirely up to you. Then you're able to brand it as your own. And the OTO 3 done for you, if you want them to do it, everything for you, that is what you're going to want to go for. But I do like the OTO 1 in my opinion. All right, you guys, so just to summarize everything that you're going to get from Cartoon Creator, it is very easy to use. As you can see, there's no skill. It is AI based, beginner friendly, commercial license is included, one-click download. You're going to get all of the bonuses that these guys and myself are offering you. So really, it's almost like 500 bonuses that you're going to be getting when you get this as well. You've got plenty of time to do it, guys. This is me, Kieran Hogg, KieranGHogg.com. If you got value from this, please give me a like. If you have any questions about Cartoon Creator or anything about making money online, hit me up with a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as you can. You can always find me on Facebook as well if you want to talk in more detail. And guys, if you do decide to get Cartoon Creator with my link, I will also send you another special treat for you, another bonus. If you whitelist my email, I show you how to do it. It's very easy in my thank you email that you will be receiving from me. So whitelist that, you'll get that extra bonus. And guys, you got to see just how easy and how much content that you're able to create, basically almost done for you. The templates are really, really cool. That's what I liked. I showed you one of those. They had multiple in there, and then you can just add their videos, add their images, and create it uniquely yours. All right, my friends, thanks for your time. As always, I really appreciate you. Reach out to me with any questions, and best of luck on your journey. Take care.